Let's unbox and put this beautiful kettle from Paris Rhone to the test. This video is sponsored, but my opinions are my own, so let's get into it. The base is minimalist and very small. It has great rubber feet on the bottom and a nice thick cord that is about 3 feet long. And the quality of the kettle is evident the moment you touch it. It's very clearly metal throughout with the really nice gooseneck spout and this really great handle. Now the top itself, just this exterior portion is plastic, but it's a really nice plastic that's easy to grip onto, and that's meant to make it so it doesn't get hot and you can open it easily. And this is key to me. The inside is all stainless steel from the top to in the interior, all the way through the gooseneck tip, meaning that your water is never touching plastic. And I love how the top actually snaps into place, meaning it can't fall off. That is a fantastic feature. Now in the kettle, you will see a very clear line for minimum and maximum water. So let me fill that up. Now this matte base is beautiful and really easy to use. It has this great spinner to control the temp, and it's a button so you can hold it at the temp. Now to use it, you simply turn it on. It will immediately tell you what the temperature is currently, and it will remember whatever temp you had it at last, so you can just start it up immediately at whatever temp you want, and you can be as specific as you want. And it will go between Fahrenheit and Celsius with a click of a button, and you can also mute it if you prefer by simply holding this down. And now it is muted, so now it won't beep at me at all. And you also have a button that will quickly take you to the ideal temperatures for coffee, boiling water, green tea, and white tea. You simply hit mode and pick which one you want. And as you can see, it is already heating up without me doing anything at all. Simply by being on, it starts. There isn't a specific start button, it just goes. So while it's heating up, I can go, hey, actually I want it to be a different temperature. So let's say I want it at 170 instead. I can just keep changing the temp while it's running. And it's already at 116, it's going up so fast. Now I'm going to unmute it before it gets to the temp because I actually want to hear what the beep sounds like once it goes off, and I can already hear it boiling. It is going so fast. And now it is holding at temp. So it is at 170, it's what I want, and I have it holding there. So really impressive, really clean and easy to read. And I love that not only does it remember my last temperature if I have a preferred temp, but it has the quick modes as well to easily jump around. Now let's give it a quick pour. Feels so nice in my hand. And really clean and easy to pour out. Keep in mind, this really is designed for pour over coffees, French press, teas, slow, controlled pours. You definitely have all the control you can imagine with this fantastic kettle. I am incredibly impressed and definitely recommend the Paris Rhone electric kettle.